Ari Malik built a tiny repair cafe in a cracked city alley, turning worn gadgets into repaired treasures. Facing scarce funds, he bartered services with local artisans, traded spare parts for code, and rented space one weekend at a time. His unconventional move was to host midnight repair jams, inviting strangers to learn by fixing devices side by side. Milestones followed: a loyal community, a micro-funded tool library, and partnerships with schools to teach hands-on resilience. The lesson is clear for founders everywhere: solve a real pain, build with others, and persist through the smallest wins.